Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Lens or the Lens camera inside the Google app. Make sure camera and storage permissions are granted so saving works. Point, compose, and tap once to focus. Then tap the shutter or the live photo thumbnail to capture. Once done, tap the newly captured image to open Lens results. This is where you decide how to save. You do this now because saving from the results ensures Lens attachments, extracted text, or identified items are included with the stored image. Once the Lens results appear, inspect the icons along the bottom to choose how you'll save. Extract text, identify an object, or just save the image. If you need editable text, tap Extract Text, then select All and copy. After that, create a document or paste into a note and save. To store the photo itself, tap the three-dot menu or Save Image and choose Google Photos or Device folder. Make sure to pick an album or file name so you can find it later. After saving, verify the image appears in Google Photos or your device gallery and move it to an album for quick access. If you want automatic cloud copies, enable Google Photos Backup. This preserves versions and makes recovery easy. Make sure to rename or tag images when useful, because consistent names speed future searches. If something goes wrong, check Lens and app storage permissions, confirm available free space, and retry. If the problem persists, force close the app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.